Hey guys, so I was asked recently, under what stage name did Saul Hudson play guitar in Guns N' Roses? So you might know him as Slash, as it says here, Saul Hudson, which is obviously not his stage name. More commonly known as stage name is Slash. Okay, he played guitar in Guns N' Roses under the stage name Slash. Slash is well known for his iconic top hat, sunglasses, and his distinctive guitar playing style, which contributed significantly to the band's success. Obviously, between him and Axl Rose and his amazing vocals, I can't vouch for the rest of the band, but I'm sure they've made significant contributions. Don't want to write them out of it, because it's always, it's everyone who's there at the time who helped create the vibe. So this is Slash in the more modern day. But you can see he's got his top hat, he's got his sunglasses, he's got this curly, black hair, very iconic. Just looking up some of the songs he actually wrote. So some of the most famous ones, you got Paradise City there, Welcome to the Jungle. Night Train is a huge one, it's so easy. Civil War. I'm trying to think, did he write any of the other ones that I was thinking of? Sweet Child of Mine. There you go, that's what I was looking for. I was seeing if he wrote A November Rain, because he wrote a lot of the solos in that, but it doesn't say that November Rain is here. Which, if you haven't heard November Rain, highly, highly, highly recommend it. So let's talk a bit about Slash. He was born in 1965, known professionally as Slash. Is a British-American musician who serves as the lead guitarist of the hard rock band Guns N' Roses. So you see, he's a British-American musician, okay, who serves lead guitarist as hard rock band Guns N' Roses, with whom he achieved worldwide success in the late 1980s, 1990s. Slash received critical acclaim, considered blah blah blah. Born in Hampstead, okay, if you don't know where Hampstead is, it's quite, nowadays it's a nice area in London, but if you don't know it, I think Mick Jagger and people like that buy houses in Hampstead. I don't know what it was like back in the 70s, 60s when he was growing up, but it's got really, really nice. As you can see, some of the houses and the places are very, very nice. But he moved to LA with his father when he was 5. Okay, his parents were both active in the entertainment industry. He was given the nickname Slash as a child by actor Seymour Cassell. Interesting. And he was an American actor who appeared in over 200 films, television shows, career spanning 50 years. Wow, that's pretty cool. So, very interesting. I don't know if I've seen any of these films. I've seen The Royal Tenenbaums, Life Aquatic, was Sleepy Time. Yeah, maybe you guys let me know if you've, down in the comments, if you've seen any of these films, if you've heard of this guy. But there you go, this guy. Interesting that this one person changed this Saul Hudson into Slash, in that moment when he was a kid. Crazy. 1983 joined glam metal band Hollywood Rose. Then 1985 joined Guns N' Roses, which was composed of 4 members of Hollywood Rose and LA Guns, okay, replacing founding member Tracy Guns. Interesting. 94, amid growing tensions within Guns N' Roses, Slash formed the supergroup Slash's Snake Pit. And in 96, after growing tensions with Axl Rose, he left Guns N' Roses. 2002, co-founded the supergroup Velvet Revolver, who are awesome. Vocalist Scott Weiland, which re-established Slash as a mainstream performer in the mid to late 2000s. Slash has released 5 solo albums called Slash, Apocalyptic Love, World on Fire, Living the Dream, and 4. All but the first of these were billed to Slash, featuring Miles Kennedy and the Conspirators, who returned to Guns N' Roses in 2016. And they've been performing for a little bit since then. Now, the fallout between Axl Rose and Slash, from what I could gather, is that because the band were off getting smashed all the time, Axl actually got annoyed with them and didn't want to be in a band with them. But I could be wrong in that. That's just what someone told me. I'm trying to see if that's true, but I'd have to read through all of this. But you can see he definitely plays guitar, and he's done exceptionally well over the years. And let's look at some of these people. So we've got Hollywood Rose. This was kind of like, I'm guessing, Axl Rose's band. Is that Axl Rose there? Yep. And you've got Slash there. So Hollywood Rose and American Glamour's 1983, better known for the precursor for what would eventually become Guns N' Roses. The group was formed by Axl Rose, Izzy Stradlin, and Chris Weber, while they were aided during live shows by Rick Mars, Andre Trox, blah. Rose, Stradlin, and Weber, along with Kreese and Nicholson, recorded a 5-song demo in 1984. However, after a number of lineup changes, which includes Weber, Kreese, Nicholson being replaced by Slash and Steven Adler, both then of Road Crew, as well as the departure of Stradlin, the group disbanded the same year. Interesting. So they met quite early, these two, Axl and Slash. So Hollywood Rose reunited for a New Year's Eve show in 1985 with Rose, Stradlin, and Darrow returning, adding former LA Guns drummer Rob Garner to the group. LA Guns founder Tracy Guns replaced Sweet, blah, blah, blah. Okay, interesting. Lineup changes, Guns N' Roses, reformation, the roots of Guns N' Roses, and then these are the past members. So they're saying even up to 1990, these guys stayed. But it's interesting that Axl and Slash did so well. Got LA Guns. I'm guessing got Tracy Guns here. Phil Lewis and Ace Johnson. So maybe, I'm just trying to think, would they call it Guns N' Roses? Got Snake Pit, got Slash there, looking cool with his long hair. Anyway, Velvet Revolver are probably the second biggest. They were huge. Don't know if they're really playing anymore. As you can see here, one-off reunions 2010 and 2012. So they did play for 6 years, so a little bit of time, but obviously didn't quite, maybe didn't take off how they wanted, or what happened. Anyway, cool. Hopefully that answered you guys' questions. Slash, iconic guitar player. Please go check out his stuff, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.